We are focusing on the 6 reflective statements of competence for your CDA credential, a critical component of your professional portfolio. Getting the structure and length right is not just a suggestion, it's a requirement for a successful verification visit with your professional development specialist, or PDS. Let's start with the length requirement. Each of your 6 statements, one for each competency goal, should be approximately 500 words. Falling too far short will likely be flagged by your PDS as insufficient detail, while going significantly over suggests you haven't been concise. The PDS is looking for your ability to communicate professionally and efficiently, so stick close to that 500-word target for each statement. Now, for the structure. Think of each statement as a 3-part reflection. First, you must explicitly state the competency goal you are addressing. For example, for Competency Statement 1, you would begin by clearly stating the goal: to establish and maintain a safe, healthy learning environment. Don't make your PDS search for it. The second and most substantial part of your statement is describing how you meet this goal. This is where you provide concrete, specific examples from your daily practice. A common exam trap is being too general. Instead of saying, "I keep the room safe," describe your specific safety check routine, how you arrange furniture to prevent accidents, and how you teach children about safety rules during a particular activity. This is also your chance to directly reference items in your resource collection. You might say, "As demonstrated in my weekly lesson plan, a resource collection item, I incorporate hand-washing songs to make hygiene a fun and memorable part of our routine." The third part is reflection. This is where you discuss your growth and challenges related to that competency. Many candidates make this section too brief, which is a major mistake. Your PDS wants to see that you are a reflective practitioner. You could discuss a challenge you faced, like managing a classroom with diverse dietary needs, and explain the steps you took to overcome it, what you learned, and how your practice has improved. This demonstrates the higher-order thinking required for the credential. Here's a mental shortcut to remember the structure for each statement. Goal, give, grow. First, state the goal. Second, give specific examples linking them to your resources. Third, show how you grow through reflection on challenges and successes. Goal, give, grow. Remember to use a first-person professional voice throughout. A final trap is failing to connect your statements to your resource collection. These documents are not separate assignments. They are evidence. Your reflective statements are the narrative that explains and contextualizes that evidence. Make the connections explicit to create a cohesive and convincing professional portfolio for your PDS review. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.